Hello and welcome back to Free Spirit Yoga. I'm Sally and today is day 27 of the Samaritans 30-day yoga challenge. In this session, we're coming back to look at drawing our focus inwards, also called withdrawal of the senses. And as I've mentioned before, in yoga this is called Pratyahara, and is the fifth limb of yoga, of the eightfold yoga path, or the 8 limbs of yoga known as Ashtanga yoga, which is one of the main systems of yoga. And the aim of Pratyahara is to, as I say, withdraw the sense information so that you are able to concentrate on one focal point and then enter a meditative state. So today I'm going to guide you through a Pratyahara practice whose aim is to disengage your mind from the information coming from your senses. Now all you need to do is make yourself comfortable. It's entirely up to you if you want to be seated or laying down, if you want to seat yourself on the floor, on a cushion, or even on a chair. The thing we do want to be careful of is that our mind is not going to wander. So if you are seated, still try not to lean back against the seat. Maybe just sit with a straight back. But it is important that you are comfortable. If you're just concentrating on the information that's coming from your senses that is telling you that you're uncomfortable, then you're not going to be able to concentrate on the practice. So make yourself comfortable, but still alert and aware. Okay, let's get started. Make yourself comfortable and close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed throughout this guided session. Make any adjustments now to make your body feel comfortable. Relax your hands, arms, and shoulders. Relax your neck muscles. Soften and relax your facial muscles. Begin to notice your breath. Notice as you inhale and exhale. Just observing the flow of your breath without changing your natural breathing rhythm. Now we're going to make the Om sound 3 times. So inhale, We'll begin by first making a connection with your sense of touch. Try to become aware of all the points of contact between your body and the floor or your seat. Feel the slight heaviness of the body in contact with the ground or your seat. Your body feels supported and is completely relaxed. Become aware of the contact between your hands and the place where they rest. Feel the gentle weight of your hands. Your hands feel relaxed. Let's become aware of the contact between your clothes and your skin. And maybe even the subtle weight of the clothes on your body. Finally, becoming aware of the contact between the surrounding air and your skin. Now shift your awareness to your sense of smell. Focus on the tip of your nose. And now we're going to add a visualization in your mind. Imagine your favorite smell. The smell of a food or drink, or the smell of a flower or a fragrance. A smell that you truly enjoy. Try to bring an experience of that smell to the tip of your nose with each inhalation. Now shift your awareness to your sense of taste. Bring your focus to the tip of your tongue. Imagine your favorite taste. The taste of any food or drink that you truly enjoy. Try to bring the experience of that taste to the tip of your tongue. Now shift your awareness to your sense of sight. Imagine an object or a scene that you truly enjoy looking at. Or it could be a person, anything that is the source of visual delight for you. Bring that image to your mind's eye in its full colour and beauty. just stay focused on the image for the next few breaths. Now, finally, make a connection with your sense of hearing. Imagine a sound that you truly enjoy listening to. It could be the sound of a loved one, a piece of music, or the sound of a chirping bird. Try to bring an experience of that sound to your ears. Now, slowly shift your awareness to your breathing. Your breath at this point is very soft and subtle. Try to imagine the almost imperceptible sound of your breathing. Your mind is calm and your breath is soft and gentle. In this state of mental peace and quiet, see if you can listen to your own heartbeat. If you can, listen to the rhythm of your heartbeat for a few moments. Gradually shift your hearing away from your body. Try to perceive any sounds from within the room. Slowly extend your hearing to outside the room and try to perceive sounds from outside. Continue to extend your hearing farther and farther away until you feel totally absorbed in the complete silence that lies at the end of all sound vibration. Total stillness. Gradually bring your awareness back to your breathing and focus at the tip of your nose, noticing the flow of breath as you inhale and exhale. As you inhale, feel the gentle cooling of your nostrils. As you exhale, become aware of the gentle warmth of the outgoing breath. Simply connect with the quality and depth of each breath. Your breath is gentle, soft and subtle. It is so subtle that if you were to place the softest of feathers at the tip of your nose, it may not even flutter. Now shift your awareness to your mind. Your mind seems very calm and peaceful. So peaceful that you may even be able to go into deeper levels of consciousness. Try to become aware of the deepest core of your existence. A place which is perfectly still, always peaceful and joyful. Try to make a connection with this source of peace and joy. Stay connected with your inner being. Feel free to stay with this very peaceful feeling for as long as you need.